Welcome back. Now, a fresh controversy has erupted in Madhya Pradesh. A temple that is managed by the Archaeological Survey of India is at the center of a storm after Hindu devotees were denied permission to conduct puja on the premises. For decades, Hindus have been observing rituals and pujas during Nag Panchami at the Vijay Surya Mandir, but this year they were denied permission to do so. After Hindu devotees sought permission, the district collector forwarded their request to the ASI, which cited a 1951 Gazette notification categorizing the site as Bija Mandal Mosque. The Hindu devotees are now contending that Vijay Surya Mandir has been a site of Hindu worship since 1972. There are several Hindu idols within the site. Now, we are getting information that Hindu devotees are staging protest outside their temple. They are demanding their right to perform prayers as they have been doing for several years in the past. My colleague Govind is now joining us for more. Govind, suddenly what changed? Because the claim is that they have been doing this puja for years.
Yeah, absolutely. This whole controversy erupted after DM's letter, in fact, which was getting viral, in which the permission was demanded for puja archana from Hindu side, in fact, which was denied by saying that this is not a temple, this is a mosque, in fact. Bija Mandal Mosque, and after that, Hindu sides became angry and they have started protest here. Dharna here, you see the visuals. I'll just directly take you to the pictures here. These are the protesters who are just doing dharna in front of this Bija Mandal premises, where they're just demanding to open the lock, which is locked, in fact, for decades, and they asking for getting the permission for puja archana, and also they're fighting a number of Hinduvadi organizations, including the MLA of the region, Mr. Mukesh Tandon. We just tried directly to ask them, आपकी मांग क्या है और किस मांगों को प्रशासन नहीं मान रहा है? ASI में ये मॉस्क लिखा हुआ है।
सबसे पहले तो जो ASI में मॉस्क अंकित है उसको हटाया जाए, क्योंकि ये मॉस्क नहीं है, ये प्राचीन सनातन धर्म संस्कृति का चिन्ह है। ये सनातन मंदिर है और बहुत ही प्राचीन मंदिर है। सबसे पहली मांग तो ये है हमारी कि इसको मॉस्क मस्जिद ना बोला जाए। दूसरी मांग कि अभी वर्तमान में अभी जो हम यहाँ बैठे हैं, ताला खोल के हमें अंदर मंदिर के अंदर जाकर पूजन करने की अनुमति दी जाए।
तो this is exactly what they are just doing, the protest and asking for the permission of puja archana. So here we just directly telling you the pictures here. These are the Hindu
they're raging for
supporters.
Right to perform prayers. We'll see how the situation develops from there. Thank you, Govind, for joining us. We take a very quick break.